Welcome back to Inside Motorhomes, the place where we take you right into the heart of the world's most interesting campervans and motorhomes, and show you exactly what life on the road feels like. Today, we're checking out a very special build. A van that blends compact agility with everyday livability. It's not a massive coach, and it's not a basic panel van conversion. This one sits right in between. Designed for people who want comfort without turning travel into a burden. This is the model that's getting a lot of attention because it uses smart layout design. Every inch of space has been carefully considered. From storage and sleeping areas, to its kitchen and bathroom setup. Whether you're a weekend adventurer, a couple planning long road trips, or someone dreaming of van life, this walkthrough will open your eyes to what's possible in a compact motorhome. Before we dive into the interior tour, let's talk first impressions. On the outside, this van looks purposeful. It doesn't shout luxury, but it carries bold accents and clean design lines that feel modern without being flashy. And because it's built on a platform you might not expect, it offers a unique driving stance, nimble yet comfortable. Now let's take a full look inside and see how this vehicle transforms the idea of compact living on the road. Now let's step inside the Freedo M 599 and take a closer look at what this compact motorhome has to offer. Up front, since this is the Freedo M 599, you're welcomed by a proper MAN cockpit. It feels solid and well put together. The passenger seat is fully rotatable, which instantly helps integrate the cab into the living space. There's still a mounting bracket here for a TV, but that's a minor detail and part of the setup. Moving into the front living area, you'll notice a clever pull-out pantry cabinet. It's nicely executed and makes excellent use of the space next to the bathroom. Everything operates with soft close, giving you that reassuring sense of quality craftsmanship. Affinity's attention to detail is clearly visible here. Let's step into the bathroom. The first impression is genuinely positive. It feels bright, friendly, and clean, with a predominantly white finish that enhances the sense of space. You have mirrored cabinets for storage, perfect for toiletries and essentials. While there aren't deep shelves further back, there is a conveniently placed power outlet. The sink is positioned to the side and designed as a foldable unit with a swivel faucet. There's also a separate shower head and shower fixture, making the space practical for daily use. The toilet is a bench-style unit from Thetford, reliable and functional, though you could opt for a different model if you preferred. You can tell that the front section is slightly narrower compared to Fiat or PSA-based vans. It feels just a bit more compact, but still very usable. The small hinged board here is solidly installed, and there's another storage compartment for additional items. The sink plumbing is neatly tucked underneath. Down below, you'll find the refrigerator. It's not immediately clear what's beneath it. That might be accessible from the outside, something worth checking. Back in the kitchen area, you have the sink at the front, followed by a 2-burner gas stove. It's simple, but completely sufficient for everyday cooking. The wooden countertop adds warmth to the interior. There's also a pull-out extension board, ideal for food preparation. It slides smoothly back into place and locks securely with a side latch. Small details like the leather straps add a premium touch. Despite the different roof structure of the MAN TGE, the overhead cabinets remain impressively deep. Proportionally, that's a great design feature. Storage compartments are integrated throughout the vehicle, making smart use of every inch. Now let's talk about the seating area. The backrest system is familiar and easy to manage. Sitting down here feels surprisingly comfortable. The table can be folded down, and you'll find multiple power outlets and a reading lamp nearby. Converting the setup is logical and straightforward. You release the mechanism, lower the table, and build up the floor base underneath. Once in place, you have a proper flat surface. Lower the bed, arrange the cushions, and you've created a generous sleeping area. There's also a small compartment toward the rear. But let's step outside and check the vehicle from behind. At the rear, you'll find the storage compartment. It's not a massive garage, as the concept isn't designed for that, but it's practical. 2 scooters could likely fit side by side, which is a big plus for many travelers. The central electrical unit is also located here and is easily accessible. On the side of the vehicle, you'll find the heater system, likely the diesel heater, whether it's the 6D or 4D variant. The toilet cassette is also accessible externally for easy emptying. From the outside, the design is very typical MAN, clean and purposeful. It doesn't look flashy, but it certainly doesn't look unattractive either. Up on the roof, There are 2 solar panels installed. Earlier, the system beeped because the battery charge was low, a helpful reminder feature. The vehicle is also equipped with the Truma Init system for modern control and monitoring. Back inside, there are still more storage drawers to discover. The kitchen concept hides compartments in clever places. You just have to look carefully. The bed doesn't always need to be fully converted. You can also sleep lengthwise if preferred. When fully extended with the cushions in place, the bed spans the entire width, creating a large and comfortable sleeping surface. The wooden base with padding on top provides solid support. With the table repositioned and locked into place, the seating area becomes a true lounge. You can comfortably seat 5 to 6 people here. That's impressive for a vehicle of this size and definitely something a bit different. Regarding heating, the Truma 6DE system is installed, which means you also have electric heating capability in addition to diesel. The base price starts at €83,190. As equipped here, it comes to around €85,153, with many features already included as standard. Overall, the Freedo M 599 presents an interesting option. The large rear sofa lounge converts easily into a bed, and yes, you could even enjoy breakfast right there in bed. And that brings us to the end of today's walkthrough. The Freedo M 599 proves that you don't need a massive motorhome to enjoy real comfort on the road. With its smart layout, flexible lounge area, practical kitchen, and cleverly designed sleeping space, it strikes a balance between compact driving and everyday livability. It's the kind of van that feels manageable behind the wheel, yet surprisingly spacious once you're parked and settled in. Whether you're planning weekend escapes, long road trips across Europe, or simply exploring the idea of van life, this model shows how intelligent design can completely transform a limited footprint. From the man-based driving platform to the well-thought-out interior storage, heating system, and solar setup, this is a camper van built for people who value efficiency without sacrificing comfort. If you're considering a compact motorhome that still delivers a premium feel, this one is definitely worth adding to your shortlist. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Freedo M 599. Would this layout work for you? Or would you change something? If you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Inside Motorhomes for more detailed tours, honest impressions, and real-world motorhome insights.